Catalogues give you complete control over which products are shown to which customers, making their shopping experience faster, more relevant, and more efficient. Your base catalogue is the default view shown to all customers, unless you assign them to a specific custom catalogue. Let's walk through how to create and manage catalogues in your B2B portal. To create a catalogue, go to your B2B portal and click Settings, Inventory, then Catalogues. Now, click Create Catalogue and give it a name. This could be based on product type, customer region, or anything that suits your business needs. Great! Next, let's assign products to your new catalogue. Head back to the Inventory tab and click Products. From here, use the action cog on the right-hand side of each product to assign it to the catalogue. To save time, you can also bulk select multiple products and assign them all at once using the action cog on the left. The status of a product in a specific catalogue will override its status in the base catalogue. For example, a product can be hidden in the base catalogue but set to sellable in a custom one, and vice versa. This gives you control over what each customer sees. If a product's not added to a catalogue and is set to visible/sellable in the base, that product will still show to the customer. So, if there's products you want to hide from a customer's view, don't forget to add them to your catalogue as hidden. Now that your catalogue has products, it's time to assign customers. Go to the Customers tab and click the action drop-down next to a customer's name. Select Assign Catalogues, then choose which catalogue or catalogues you'd like them to access. To assign catalogues to multiple customers at once, bulk select them and use the action cog on the left. If a customer isn't assigned to a catalogue, they'll just see your base catalogue's product view when they log into your B2B store. Once a customer is invited to your B2B store and assigned to a catalogue, they'll see a tailored shopping experience, showing only the product ranges you've created for them. This is a powerful way to manage different pricing strategies, product visibility, or regional ranges, making it easier for your customers to browse and buy. Thanks for watching. Visit our support files or explore more Academy content to keep building your unleashed knowledge.